Hey everybody, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. Here is another Plan With Me video in my mini happy planner. So there you see my spread for Monday, April 9th to Sunday, April 15th, where I use the Planner Society January sticker kit. So this week for Monday, April 16th through to Sunday, April 22nd, just place that there. I will be using, I've never used this store before, but I cannot wait. I'm gonna be using parts of the Blossom kit from GP Sticker Studio. So I bought these from, I think this was a Planner Boss Collective sale, and I got certain sheets a la carte. So I got the washi strips, the check boxes, the date covers, which I will definitely be using in my TN, and the full boxes. And I just love the feel of her stickers. They're very thick, they're glossy, and then I might use some of the freebies that went with it as well. But then I might pull in some of these foiled ribbon and heart stickers from Tasseled Planner to make note of other things here. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to see me do here is place a full box sticker down in the corner section. I always try to cover up that note section, or at least place quite a bit of decoration in that area, just because I have the room to do so. And then here I decide which full boxes I'd like to go around the spread, and I focus on kind of a mirror image type of theme. I place the full boxes so that they are mirror image on both sides of the spread. So I'll place a box on Thursday to match the one in the note section, and then one on Monday and Friday. Now these kits are, I think, made for an Erin Condren, or at least for you know, even a B6 insert, but I'm happy to use these stickers in my mini happy planner. You know me, I am not the type to just stick to kits made for the mini happy planner specifically. If I like the look of stickers, I will buy them and I will use them in my planner in any way I see fit. So here you can see the mirror image, or the balance between the two sides of the spread. Some people might find that a little bit off-putting, that they look almost too similar, but I like the overall effect of that it's not exactly the same on both sides. You have some symmetry, but because of the difference in the full boxes, it doesn't look exactly like a mirror image. So I'm using the gold foil hearts and bow stickers from Tasseled Planner, and this is going to notate my shifts for the week. And then placing a checklist down on Thursday, and this is one of the checklists from the freebies from GP Sticker Studio. Now when it comes to decorating my mini happy planner, I'm pretty, I do have a set way that I like to decorate, because I like to notate my shifts, I like to notate my to-do lists, and then anything else extra I will add around it. So I decorate around that, and because I've been planning for a little bit, or a little while now, I know what I can experiment with. So I guess for any of you newbie planners, try to figure out what it is that you want to keep track of in your planner. And then once you've got that figured out, then decorate around that. Make it work for you. So the last thing I'm going to do here is place a few deco pieces around the spread. The first thing I do is work the full boxes. Then you see that I do the deco, or the circle icons for my shifts, and then after that I get a little bit creative with the deco. But if you've seen my spreads, I have my basics that I use every week, and then just play around with the placement of those. But that's it for me, a very quick plan with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and have a lovely day.